What's up, fans? Life KDB back in the building with it. Another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama, and we do reaction videos, and we're gonna be reacting to some brothers from Otara, and they are 20th Boys VP Stroke Checkmate and also Bad One Default.
And they're both audio.
Yeah, both audio films. So yeah, let's go. If this is the first ever video you're watching, appreciate it heaps. Thank you for joining. Thank you for even clicking on this video. I appreciate it heaps. And if you're wanting to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there, or press subscribe at the bottom. And don't forget to click on that bell to keep notified on when I upload videos, please, fams. So thank you to those that have requested. Appreciate it heaps, fams. Let's go. Sounds deep.
Southside, you know my brothers all gonna run. If you want smoke my G, we don't play in the games where I seek you while he's going high. They fuck that shit, run up and get hit like a split. They watch you run like a bitch. You're young and got dropped to the floor, now you wanna come back when you know the virus gonna hit. Hey, and who pussy come here to get like a cookie? I do not care if my enemy's blood. I'm running that shit, have them crippled like Tookie. They all just rookies, they don't face me. We construct faces like treaties. Trust me, cause they don't want this smoke, cause we'll put them under like Hades.
Construct faces, eh? Sadly.
Want the smoke from us? That's I know well who run it. Talk about movie back
Similar to you.
Just talk cause they ain't done it like who got my side done took that trip and slept in dogs, so no doubt. And that self came down, now we run it like fuck them pussies. I'm shooting shots and I'm aiming right at your head. So if you want beef, then come get it, cause I'm still screaming fuck. Talk about making racks still break. My team steady banging on best, them boys are relevant. The only thing that matters in the US, so stop that chit chat. Quite frankly, me and my team had enough, so if I see you in
Can I just say that the noises are putting me off? The
It's censoring, yeah.
Yeah, censoring. But then my mind gets stuck on the pling. Trying to remember where that's from. Like,
I forget what's
what they're rapping about. Because then it still rings in my head, and then he says a whole sentence.
So it's to somebody.
Yeah, for sure.
Haters.
Yeah, opposition. That's all that. Interesting.
Nice. We've reacted to 20th Boys.
Yeah.
And this is like
Totally
gone up.
different. Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn.
public, I swear to God, I'm a fucking let's fuck that side when I intercept. Don't let's get sprung when I'm in the flesh.
You know what I want to say? It's just like with this beef here. And I've said it before and I'll say it again, because to me I feel like there's some truth in it. That this beef brings out good music. I mean, it brings out the best in these guys, eh? Like,
because they're passionate
Sydney,
about
yeah,
it.
it's good music is coming out from this. I mean, sorry, I know I shouldn't say something like that about what's happening, but it's positively, it's you gotta agree with me. It's just, and
like,
then this
reality negative, but music wise, definitely positive. Damn.
And like with this, you can hear it, and it's sounding
the
a
beat.
lot more better than when they had that one.
That first track,
at the Thello shops. This is so much more better. So you know that someone's mentoring them or something.
Then I really don't care if you say poly movement, truth is all the ops will get shit. Then I will not
Hey,
stop today.
Charlie, was that a shot at us? Oh, true.
That side when I intercept, don't let's get sprung when I'm in the flesh. And I really don't care if you say poly movement, truth is all the ops will get shit. Then I will not stop today.
True. So poly movement, even though they're poly brothers, if you do something wrong, or if you make them mad, or you know, you're gonna get some, fam.
Yeah,
it
it's
is
sad.
what it is.
Yeah, it's sad. Because I don't want to see something like that.
Yeah.
At least wait till I die and then do
then you go.
Then do your beefcake, please. Wait till I'm dead and gone,
Dead
and then carry on your beef.
Oh.
Disappearing is fucked from the start to the end. I got no heart, I got no soul, so tell me why should I care about them? Fuck them. If they want that beef, then I send it. Chop it up, I won't end it. See their side, they're a bunch of clowns. Big man's face and I sing to the heavens. I'm sending out shots to the wood, cause those boys from shit talk jazz and then fool like couldn't even back those ends where he lives. True definition of a low class wanker. Fuck up, talking I pull my proper. So if I stop bar, cause I hate like I hate coppers. They don't want no smoke with the 20 off boys, but I want that smoke with them. Just like that. time, man. Where are you now and where are you then? Said, but we bought it. No movie scene, but we stuck the script. They didn't show form, they just ran away and their friend dropped bleeding from his lip. You can get wet if I caught you slipping. Anybody that you wanna roll with, it's dollar sign to the fucking name. Will we rob, steal, and then shoot?
It's always like the same. It just reminds me, like I'm listening to this, all I hear is 1-4 and the 21.
Yeah,
And
that's what it
just
sounds like. Yeah,
Same.
like these guys are what 1-4 and 21 sound like. They basically sum that vibe up, eh? Like
Goes with
that's what I feel like. I feel like I'm listening to 1-4 and 21
They've
at the same
stepped up the
time.
game though.
Yeah, these guys, they're really
big
good,
time.
man. I'm missing a lot of good bars, but when I am catching some, I'm just like, oh.
Like I said before, man, the beef and
Brings out good music.
the hatred towards the oppositions, man, brings out real good music.
Oh, yeah, I was bitching.
7-4 with a brave state. Gotta feed the fiends and let the bullets spray. Still duck a pig, but never run away. I'll refuse to go blame your mate. Then stop on you like we crushing grapes. Still causing grief and opposition pain. When we come to play, it's a different game. It's either pack the heat or get sent away. I'm on the front line when I bring the no barber shop, but I came to fake. You ain't doing shit that you claim to say. I still smoke you out while getting money made. They don't want beef cause they already bet. Cooked it all up and left nothing left. Still ducking feds while you play pretend. Or you feds will get filled with flame. Can't hold it down so you bang on net. I got fam there, only right for them. But I'm still here screaming fuck the fuck anybody up you wanna try and test. You wanna try and test.
Checkmate. Checkmate. Damn. I keep looking at this expecting to see a clip. But this little picture right here is actually making me a bit scared, eh? If it was in a different color, I would have been scared. South Auckland, by the way. I just saw the tower and the helicopter.
Sky Tower.
Damn. Alright fam, so the next track we're going to be reacting to is Bad One Default.
Jeez.
Let's get... Oh fuck, this is pretty...
Where do you
guys
guys
got
come
some
up with
scary
your-
covers, eh?
Oh,
I
thumbnails.
think you guys are supposed to shoot me or something.
This is horror.
Yeah, nightmares. Oh hell no. Nah, that's gonna be stuck in my head.
Real cartel.
Straight up, if I see this in my dreams at night, I'm gonna go.
20 shots in that up boy, flop boy, try your luck and get lifted, flip them like a page and then twist them, try cuff me for my numerous drillings. Gotta blur my face in cameras, see back then I ain't never been soft. Come to the bag, get stomped like who got 20 shots in that up boy, flop boy, try your luck and get lifted, flip them like a page and
So
then
he's
twist them,
repeating
try
it
cuff
again.
me for my numerous drillings. Gotta blur my face in cameras, see back then I ain't never been soft. Come to the bag, get stomped like who got been a
They're different. Bad One's different.
Isn't Bad One part of 20th Boys? I'm sure Bad One's part of 20th
Bad
Boys.
One
Bad One and
was
Mola
with-
and that.
Bad One and 20 Boys had a thing together. Oh, sorry. Correct me if I'm
Yeah,
wrong.
so this is my
while since I went solo. Been a minute since got. Been doing my head and with all of this pussy boy energy up in their block. See, I beg the Lord on the D-Lo, please just help me out with the stress. But he knows that I've been a bad kid. Scored 3 more points, I rode no D-Rows. Can't wait to get my hands on him. Taking the piss
Road no D-Rose as in Death Rose? Is that what it means?
of all of these lies. Petrified, when the man dies I'll be satisfied. I love you babe, I wanna get married someday. Well bitch I lied. I can't cuff no chick cause I'll turn to a bitch. He's actually scared for his life. 20 shots in that up boy, flop boy, try your luck and get lifted. Flip them like a page and then twist them. Try cuff me for my numerous drillings. Gotta blur my face in cameras. See back then I ain't never been soft. Come to the bag, get stomped like who got 20 shots in that up boy, flop boy, try your luck and get lifted, flip them like a page and then twist them, try cuff me for my numerous drillings. Gotta blur my face in cameras, see back then I ain't never been soft. Come to the bag, get stomped like
Chorus.
who got. I wanna put my man in a punch his head like a boxing bag, bash that
Damn, he's mad. He's about to... This guy's mad.
square to his lane, now circle. Finish him off like Mortal Kombat. Devilish shit. Who wants smoke with a devilish kid? When I push my blade right into your center, best believe I'ma scream I did. Try making your mark on the block is flicks your gang, I'ma hook it. Bad one, put some work for that 7-4 or the oppositions get. Leave no witnesses in the area. I ain't trying to catch a new case. Slash that pussy's mouth with my belly off so the cunt remembers my face. Pussy. 20 shots in that up boy, flop boy. Try your luck and get lifted. Flip him like a page and then twist him. Try cuff me for my numerous drillings. Gotta blur my face in cameras. See back then I ain't never been soft. Come to the bag, get stomped like who got 20 shots in that up boy, flop boy. Try your luck and get lifted. Flip him like a page and then twist him. Try cuff me for my numerous drillings. Gotta blur my face in cameras. See back then I ain't never been soft. Come to the bag, get stomped like who got
I feel like I just went to prison and back.
Just felt like I finished watching the UK drill.
Yeah. Like what's that collab? The Coldest Link Up?
Oh, what you said the coldest.
Oh. But you know, have you watched I'm sure a lot of people have seen it, but when there's kids that try and act like they're part of like a gang, and then this is in America, and they go to jail and they go to the actual people that they claim that they're in a gang with, and they teach them a lesson. That's what I felt like. I feel like me when I try and act hard sometimes, and then he just set me in my place. That's what it
No,
feels like.
it's not like you trying to act hard out there and then you come home and I go, "Hulfuruipu," and you run.
Nah, I go, you do yourself out. You want me to go now? Damn, I didn't even
That
know what to
was
say.
serious. That was.
Like, are you alright, bro? Do you need some help?
What did you think of Bad One?
The foot?
That was that
was
something.
That was something, man. Like,
It almost felt like
I feel like
watching a
he's-
drill.
Yeah.
UK.
But I also felt like I was watching like a documentary of like the
Or
biggest
story,
serial killers of
yeah.
all time.
Yeah, like a
That's what I
real
felt like I was. Oh, I'm scared.
story.
Yeah, just horror movies on horror movies. I should probably chicken in the wing after this. But damn, bro, you're really.
Mm. If we have this, no, fuck my life. Sorry.
You got us nervous.
Yeah, my God. If your song gave us this feeling that we like now,
I would hate to be
Man.
your enemy, bloody hell.
amazing how I got goosebumps. Just you've left me like almost gobsmacked. But while listening to it and just watching, I was watching the thumbnail.
Yeah. The more
The
you look
cover
at it,
track-
the more he raps about how passionate he is.
No, just I'm listening to Bad One and watching it and waiting for this guy's teeth to move or something.
Yeah,
I
something
don't know,
to
but
move. Yeah.
it just felt eerie
Yeah.
and grey, but it felt like it had that meaning. Like there was something there.
Yeah.
It just wow.
But yeah, just look at the photo. Gives the feeling, it
Yeah.
sums up what the song is.
Almost does, eh? Almost does.
Do I even need to repeat? Like,
I
you
gotta
could
give
feel
this
it.
guy a 9. It just the after effects of watching it. I mean, listening to that, like all the way through. I just kept thinking UK drill. I don't know, but I just keep thinking it.
Oh. Yeah, I give it a 7. I give it a 7.
Well, I reckon you do well.
yeah.
I mean, I know it's UK drill, Aussie drill, but in New Zealand,
You know, obviously a lot of music talks about, you know, like violence and stuff like that. But this one, you really felt it, and I'm like,
yeah,
I'm not really a big fan of music like
really
that,
did
but
feel it. Eh?
at least he's showing it, whereas others like sort of sugarcoat and stuff like that. Like, if you're that type of person,
And there's these things.
say it, you know?
So what do you think of was it 20th Boys and P Street?
Yeah, checkmate. Checkmate, mate. It is what it is. I know I missed a lot of bars. I just feel as disappointed as different.
It's not missing the bars.
Yeah.
What
But
do you call bars?
Oh,
Just the
well,
lines?
yeah, I know I missed a lot of like. You know,
It's not. I didn't think there were. It was just more the lines. You
lines,
know.
yeah, I would have missed a lot of lines.
It's. Yeah, it's like we said throughout the video. That video was. It was pretty intense.
Yeah.
It's like almost they're beefing with these guys
Yeah.
too.
And I have, like, when you hear about other dissing songs that aren't 21 and think they're not as powerful as this one is, like,
Yeah.
this one feels like it's on that level.
It feels
these
like
guys are
they're
top
in
dog.
this beef.
Yeah. That's what it feels like, to be honest.
Was it 214 or
No,
21 District? I don't know, eh?
Because I don't know
we're
much
jumping the
about-
gun.
Yeah, we're just jumping the gun.
Yeah,
No,
just
you're jumping the gun.
because they it just
Yeah, it just feels like it, eh? Like, damn. I don't even know what to say, I'm speechless.
but yeah, it's I got to admit they've stepped their game up big time from
Big
that.
time.
Yeah, and this is more. It's almost still similar to the drill here, but
You feel it. You
yeah,
don't,
more.
if you don't hear it, then you feel it.
You really feel their lyrics.
Yeah.
Really feel it, and I'm quite impressed.
Yeah.
I know it's negative and all that, but
Yeah.
I'm quite impressed with these guys.
I'm really impressed.
From
The
where
beat
they-
is amazing. The beat is
Good on
10
you
out of
guys
10
with
right
P
there.
Strict in there, of course.
Yeah. It's just I struggled to hear again. I struggled to hear
Yeah.
with that
Yeah, all the censoring out,
Yeah,
eh?
the
Censoring out the names. And,
Yeah. because as I said, it was still dinging in my head while the line was going on. Yeah,
But we got the drift.
got the drift.
Yeah.
Would have been good to have the speaker on for that drift, but I give it a.
I doubt it, not with the bass.
Oh, would be. Yeah, true. I give it a 7 fams. How about you, Mumby?
What did I give it? Oh, I give it an 8. They definitely have stepped up their game.
Definitely.
Big
Keep it up, bros. Keep it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I have the information to the tracks in the description box below for you guys to
please.
check out.
Poly Movement
Please,
fans.
Poly Movement, please subscribe to their channels. Follow their socials if you haven't already. Show them some love. Give them some support, please, fams. Yeah, get our brothers up there.
Please, fans.
In it, fams. Much love, stay safe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.